sir and Indo America who has given me a golden chance to great opportunity and we have participate and my family is very excited and me and very excited to this award. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Team Indo America, who has organized food competition cultural program. Um, and I am very happy to be a winner. For this type of program, we will boost our confidence level and be a good speaker. Thanks you once again.
Thank you, Indo America team, who has organized the food competition and who has given me a chance to participate in this food competition. I am the first winner, and I am very thankful to our Indo America team.
Thank you, sir. Got a chance this food competition, and there is very good activities to learn English from Indo America, and I'm winner second competition and happy and very excited. Thank you.
We becomes winner. All the credit goes to my team member because they helps me and they are our cooperators. And for arranging the all things, he helps me more. And then after I will make the beautiful, delicious matar paneer and puri with the help of my team member Mohan. And and many persons they are helping to making the puris and they also arrange the all things where the all credit goes to my team member. That's all. Thank you for team Indo America for organizing this beautiful food competition, and we are with the help of this our energy and our it boost our energy and interest. That's all. Thank you.
Thanks to Indo America for this competition. We will try our best in our future. This activity definitely boost my confidence. Thank you, Team Indo America.